Rabbit want magic internet, carrot crypto. But Rabbit can't just take. No. Rabbit must earn by solving mega hard puzzle. This called crypto mining. When Rabbits solve puzzle, they lock in carrot trade. Fluffy send 5 carrot coins to Thumper. Boom. Saved forever on giant magic notebook dash blockchain, but not normal notebook. It use hash functions. Scramble info into crazy math fingerprint. Change tiny bit. Whole thing different. Very sneaky. Very smart to win. Rabbit burn energy. Solve proof of work puzzle. First Rabbit. Get fresh carrot coin. Butt puzzle. Make Sudoku. Cry in corner. So yay. Crypto mining equals Rabbit math race. Keeping carrot world safe. Powered by snacks and suffering. Now hit subscribe. Or this Rabbit overclock your toaster.